what's up guys? So I'm telling you, it's nice and hot outside and it's getting harder to do videos because we're working and the little one, and trust me, just coming home from work, if she sees me, that's it. I can't go back outside, you know. Let me show you why. Because as soon as she see me, I can't leave. She start crying, and this is what I have to do. You can't ignore the little one. So look, hello. Psst. Psst. Hello, say hello. Yep. So this is why I can't get to making a video. She is just, oh, no, leave the camera alone. Everywhere I go, she wants to be there. And how can you say no to that? I mean, look at her. Just doing her thing. So, I mean, she wants to be with daddy. What can I do? Now, I also can't rip apart the M5 because X5 is still out of commission. And in the meantime, I can't rip apart the X5 majorly to do lowering. To do the lowering and all that stuff. But for now, what I have, where the heck is one of those things? I have, okay, one's missing. I have some charge parts for the M5. I got these from Car Labs. Let me show you. So these are the ones from Car Labs. So I have them taped up because guess what I'm gonna do? Yeah, you guessed it. Powder coated. So they are black right now. So I don't know, I'm gonna try something out. The rims that I'm getting, that's not the one I wanted to get to begin with. And I already ordered the powdered for it, and I was gonna do whatever color I do the calipers in, I was gonna do the stuff under the engine. But now that, I don't know if I'm still gonna use the same color, but I'm gonna try it out. Since I'm doing the powder coating, I can always redo it. So this is the color that I was gonna use for the caliper. It's called Orange Sherbert Sparkle. So I tried it out in this. I don't know if the camera is gonna pick it up really good for you guys. It's orange and it has a sparkle in it. I don't know if I'm still gonna use it for the caliper, but I'm gonna try it. If I don't like it, I can always redo it. But we're gonna go put these on. But first, I gotta go change because the wife keeps busting my chops saying I'm ruining my good clothes. So I gotta go put on some more clothes, come back, and then we're gonna put these on. There's a lot more work to go with this, but I'm gonna do this one first. And yeah, I guess what I got. No, I'm not gonna tell you. You're gonna have to wait. I got something that I've always wanted for this car, but I wasn't willing to pay that sweet change for. And I saw one on a good deal, so I got one. But we're gonna do this first. So when I came out, I realized I left the camera inside. And I said, oh shit, let me go grab the camera. There's that word. I came out, and this is what I saw on my car. Check it out. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Now, how the hell between me going in the garage and coming back, me going in the house to grab my camera and come back out, this happened? It's like this little bastard was just holding on to that stuff, shit, crap, whatever. He was just holding on to that for me to go in and get my camera because I literally went in, got it, come out, and this was on the car. I spent about 2 days buffing this car because I'm gonna ceramic coat it. It's a good thing because I just poured a little water on it and it came off. But like, what is the chance of that crap, what is the chance of this happening? But enough of that. Let's start installing this stuff because I've been looking around. I haven't seen anyone doing anything on an M5 yet. I guess it's an old man car. So be it. I'll be putting this on. So let's jump into it. Well, let's start by taking this off.
Let's go shopping, maybe.
All we know is just these 4 things that hold it on. Let me put it away. That sucker actually has some weight to it. Now, here are the charge pipes you have to take off. So, I don't know, like I usually do one side. If like I'm doing stuff, I do one side first. Well, now, it's just gonna be trial and error. So that one comes out. Not much room to move that one. So now we got these straps on here we have to take off. But someone told me just to put a screwdriver in here and spread them. And I'm gonna try that and see how it works. But I don't have any tools, so let me go grab some. It's too small, I might bend it. Let's try a bigger one.
Killing them in the UK. Everybody gonna say UK. Reluctantly, cause most of this press.
This way you don't have to cut them off. I can always put this back on if I want. What the? Oh, come on. Freaking BMW. Look where they stick the other one. Sons of mongooses. That wasn't necessary. Guess they didn't want to make it too easy. Okay, 2 is off, and so they make they hide 4 of them and they make 4 of them accessible. Wow, thanks BMW. BM trouble, more like it. As you can see, these are plastic, so I'm gonna go muck around with these and try to get these other ones off. I don't want you guys standing here watching me. I'm just gonna I might have to cut these ones off, but I'm gonna try not to. So see you in a few minutes. I took my snippers and I cut these things off because the time it's gonna take me to get those things off, because these ones were underneath here, you couldn't even get under there. I'm not gonna reuse them, so I just cut them off. And now to get it off, I had to push the screwdriver underneath the rubber here to loosen it up, because remember, this thing has been clamped to this for what, 5 years? No, 4 years, and it's very tight, so you gotta get a screwdriver under there to loosen it up, or a pick, whatever you have, because this thing is not gonna come loose until you do that. You gotta loosen her up. This see, this one moves, this one barely. And we got one rubber here. We have a little bit of oil in this one here. Same thing in the other one. And the same thing, a little bit of oil in this side too. I think I'm gonna do an oil catch can system. I don't know yet. I don't know what the plans is. I might even do MET, so who knows? But for first, I'm just gonna do these. Get this off. Because you can pull, this ain't going over until you get under here. And then do that and loosen her up. I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this up, grab the new ones, and please hope they fit. I have everything lined out here, and now I'm just gonna start on one side at a time, and then I'm gonna jump to the other side. And as you can see, I got 2, 4, 6, 8 clamps, so 4 per side, and then 4 on the other side. And the 2 holes, one's bigger than the other one, so you can't really mess it up. Well, let's see how this works out now. What I did, I put a little bit of silicone paste in here to make it slide on easier, but it also make it slide off a lot easier. So make sure you put your clamp on first, get it in here, and you push it on. And I gotta put the clamp somewhere where I can tighten it quite easily. I'll put one here. I put this hose on here. This is gonna be the tricky part, getting this on in here. We can hide these ones down there.
Ooh, now, he crazy, I know what you're thinking. Rapping, I know what you're drinking. Rap singer, chain blinger.
There she is. Now I just have to tighten them up. Oh, one down, one to go. But you see me put that one in, you don't wanna have to watch me do the other one. I'll put it in, then I'll show you how it looks after. It's all back together again, and you know, it brings a little color to the engine bay. They also give you this one little brace right here, aluminum brace, to replace the plastic ones that was on the other one. But like I said, this is a short video, and now we're gonna be doing something much bigger on the next one. And I like the way it looks, and if I don't, guess what, I can always change the color. Well, like I said, it's a short video, but I wanted to do those for a while. Now I'm gonna get on to bigger things, and there's so much more to do, but problem I'm having is time, and I still got some work, still having some suspension issues with the X5. I'm gonna try and sort out next week, so I can't rip both cars apart at the same time, but that's done, and I'm gonna work on some more powder coating I have to do before I get to the next stage in this one. But it's very easy. The hardest part is I dropped my socket down in the bottom. Now I gotta jack this thing up, take off that hole on the tree just to get one socket out. I feel like leaving it there, but I don't do that kind of stuff. So now the mod is done, but now I gotta go jack the car up and take everything off just to get to that one freaking socket. Well, who cares about my issues? That's it for now. There's no more bird poop on my car. Stay tuned, there's lots more to come, and you know, give the thumbs up, the like, share, all that great stuff that you guys do, and stay tuned for more videos. Laters.
American boy.